Hello guys, it's Craig Newton here, and yes, it's another roller coaster for this month. Well, I mean, so far it's the third one because I've done the kind of car, and then the last coaster I built was the Sky Rush. Well, it was my own one really, and then I mean obviously this one is called a Corkscrew because it has two corkscrews. So it has sort of work, but not that well. But like sometimes when the car gets to the booster, the back car is, come off, and then two cars just coming up like that. But well, sometimes it works, and sometimes things can happen. So it's quite big, as you can see. It fits in my room just, but I still walk around it, which is quite good. It's quite unusual, I don't know, this is the longest track I've done so far. I think it is, but it looks it. It looks long. And the reason I don't want it put outside because it is raining. It's raining outside. Well, I don't know if you can tell, but you can see the drops by the trees. You can see the rain coming down. Anyways, start off, we have a station right here. Well, I haven't done the stairs, but I'm not bothered with that. As you can see, I'm using the older PCs and also the new ones. Well, I've been had them for a few years, but and you may notice from the last coaster, I've been added the blue ones with the black white clips on them. And the whole point I put them on there is for these black rails on the boosters, make go the car a bit faster. So yeah, I suppose I'm going to show you. I'm just going to, okay, that's on the lift. So it has two motors for this bit right here, and then has another motor right there. I think that one's slightly faster than that one. The black one is roughly slow, but it still works even though. So I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to show you it works, or show the thing going. So it comes up the lift, so it comes down here, then it goes round, and it goes the corkscrews, and then back here. A bit of booster on real quick. Well, it works. So put that there. So it goes along here, and it turns here. Oops, just going to move that. There we go. It goes up the left hill, and then it turns here, and it goes to the drop, and it turns here, goes in the corkscrews, and then it goes in the final turn, and then back to the start. Try to get a good shot here. Oh, there you go. Gonna turn that off. There we go, it's less noise now. Turn off the lift towel. There we go. So, yeah, here it is. The third coaster of the month. And it's called a Corkscrew because it has the corkscrews. You know, as you can see there's the long tubing. Well, that's that part here. So I have to sort of go through it and then just put it on there because and the whole reason I put that there because I don't want cut any more tubings because I want you know but I mean like especially when they're about really big, something like this or even more bigger. Like even though even though I got, you know, I still got loads left. Oh, I forgot to shut that, but oh well. So yeah, I just thought you know, do this video instead of the music, but I might do the music one, but I don't know yet. So yeah, just leave a like and comments, and yeah, just subscribe for more if you are new. So yeah, I've no idea what the next one is, you know, the next coaster. So yeah, stay tuned. Goodbye.